How to trade bearish engulfing the right way. Today, Monday, July 29, the price opened with gap up, and right here, this candle, as you can see on the screen, in bold, the previous candle, this enter input and stall off right above, right here, because if this trade doesn't work, we must accept losses. This way, we minimize the losses. When the price going down between 4 or 6 red candle in row, it is exit, because always take profit. This is the best way to increase your account. As you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, it is enough to take profit. 4 red candle in row. However, the price kept going down and appeared one small green candle. I said many times, only one green candle. It is exit input. However, look what happened next. Another bearish engulfing. We must shift our mindset. Now it is another enter input. Start off always above, because again, if this trade doesn't work, if the price goes against us, we must accept small losses. One more time, between 4 or 6 red candles in row, it is exit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles in row, take profit. Only one green candle right here, I'm obliged to abandon the position input. Yes or yes. This is the best way to trade bearish engulfing. Always start off above, exit. Remember, 4 or 6 red candle in row, it is exit. Sometimes doesn't work. Sometimes the price going down and make only three green candle, two green candle. But most often the price when the price go down, made 4 or 6 red candle. In this scenario, the price made 6 red candle. With this big red solid candle, this means enough. It is enough to take profit. Today, there were many opportunities input. Let me show you another strategy. When you see 3 green candle in row, 3 green solid candle in row, but the price going down with 3 red candle, this means the seller took the control of the position. One more time. This is my strategy in call. 3 green candle in row is when I get it in call. However, when you see only three red candle right here, if I in call, I'm obliged to abandon the position call. Now it is enter input and start off above right here. One more time, between 4 or 6 red candle in row, it is exit. From here, it is enter input, start off right here. 3 green candle, 4, 5, 6, it is exit with more than 100% in profit. It's incredible. And you recognize candlestick patterns, price action, you're going to take enormous advantage in your career as a trader. Trading is not complicated. You always use stop loss because you lose. Sorry, you use stop loss. If the price goes against you, it's okay to lose a little bit money. This is the part of the game. Um, that's it. Thanks for watching.